Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Apple Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. Apple Pay for Business. Review my usage experience offers a platform for businesses to analyze and manage their Apple Pay transactions. It's primarily aimed at businesses of all sizes that use Apple Pay as a payment method and want better insights into their sales data. Key features likely include transaction reporting, sales analysis tools, and potentially fraud detection capabilities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a way to streamline business operations by providing clear, easily digestible data on Apple Pay usage. It emphasizes ease of use and aims for transparent pricing. I didn't encounter any hidden fees during my testing period. Availability is likely tied to Apple Pay's own geographic reach. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Apple Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. Setting up the service was surprisingly straightforward. I simply logged in with my existing Apple Business Manager account, and within minutes, I had access to my transaction data. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating the different reporting dashboards was a breeze. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter transactions by date, product, and even location. The data loaded quickly, and I never experienced any lag or glitches. I ran several different reports, and the accuracy was excellent. I had a quick question about a specific metric displayed, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which I found very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the custom report generation tool. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. All access was via the web interface. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Apple Pay for Business. Review. It's a valuable tool for anyone seeking better insights into their Apple Pay transactions, and the ease of use is a huge plus. That's my overview of Apple Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.